Be every normal guy supposed they go to marry actresses. No, they're supposed to create you specially. You know understand? Because you need to do understanding and you need to date. You know understand? The person will say you no go to the overlay or the overlay jealous. Hello, you supposed just they calm down because of the kind of work where these girls they do. So me, I believe that the men when they come for these actresses, they come based on lust. That's because sit down they watch film. You always say, almost this girl lap, almost this girl come to make me. So you want to take advantage. You know understand me? No. If you want to marry them, God need to specially create your heart. You go feel they overlook things and they shut down your ears. You don't understand me? So yeah, so not be everybody they meant to go marry actress. No, they are special men for it. So if you are not in that category, leave the actresses alone.
If your body no full, no just put body for any actress. Cause you marrying them, you're just frustrating their work, their business. You need to understand their work first.
Remember back in the days, Choma Chukuka. Tell me one actor where not successfully kiss Choma for lips. All the Jimmy got the Ramsey, they try, but they fail. Because as you bring that lips, she go give you here. But these days, as they just shout that they are rolling, all the actors, everything that they leak. Even when the director say cut, they do the cuts.
Wait, Osage, calm down, breathe. So.
This thing is true. Who don't even kiss Choma Chukuka for any movie before? Cause me, man, never see. Hey. Welcome back, guys. Waiting Babarex they talk really makes sense. And like I said earlier, before you marry, as a man, before you marry any of these actresses, make up your mind. Say, this is my wife's job. Like you need to understand what you're into. Not just marry and because say you feel like this girl get nice shape or this girl is beautiful, this girl is that, without making up your mind to understand, say this my wife's jobs. If I'm the kind of person that always feel jealous, what will happen next? So these are the things you need to consider before you marry any of these actresses, and not marrying them and before you know it, we just they hear divorce, this. You don't too much now. In fact, make actors they marry actors. I think with that, it will reduce all these everyday divorce, this one divorce, this one divorce, that one. I think it will really make sense. I mean, my people wait to know nothing. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Richest TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos.
Every normal guy
they give me one kind of encouragement to continue.
No,
they
they're supposed to create you specially. You know understand? Because you need to do understanding and you need to date. You know understand? The person will say you no go to the overlay or the overlay jealous. Hello, you supposed to calm down because of the kind of work where these girls they do.
Bye.
So me, I believe that the men when they come for these actresses, they come based on lust. That's because sit down they watch film. You always say, almost this girl lap, almost this girl come to make me.